just make me bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joy Okechukwu. Here we all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and girl talks. On today's episode on beauty, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use a very few makeup products to achieve this glamorous look. So sit back and relax and let's learn together. We use just few equipment to get this look: eyeshadow palette, our powder palette, our concealer, and our foundation. Use some brush, lip gloss, lip liner. That's something everybody should have, but these are the major products, and we got this look. So I'm going to start with my foundation, and you want to make sure it's your color, a reasonable amount that will circulate your face. My makeup sponge, make sure it's wet. A wet sponge makes it easier for your foundation to blend. Next up is our eye pencil. You can go with brown, black. I like to use my eye pencil to do the majority of the things, which is my eyelid, and it's going to be serving as my eyeliner. I might need it for my lips later, but we just want to do the top part. I'm going to be using my Pro Concealer. This is a little lighter than I am, a little lighter than my foundation, and which is going to serve as my highlighting. People always assume that doing your makeup is like you must always have to pay a makeup artist to look good, to look glamorous. But come on, what if I don't have the money? What am I going to do? This is what I'm going to do. Just want to give punch to blend it all in. So we want to do our blush now, and we take the color that we feel will be cool for it, and I feel this is okay for me. This is something I'll actually rock to a date. My last date, this is what I did, and I looked beautiful. I have a lot of comments, you know, I'm a pretty girl, and I know I'm pretty. You're gonna put a little on your nose. Your nose, I mean. Yeah, this is it. Believe you're pretty. Carry yourself like you're pretty, and trust me, other people will see you pretty. They'll see you pretty as well. Okay. I want to go for like a little dark look, but I don't seem to find something interesting here to use. So I think I'll go with this. So when I talk about improvisation in this whole makeup tutorial, normally this is what I will use for what I'm about to do. If you have a cutting board, don't let anybody intimidate you. You're going to rock the same thing, but a more improvised way. I'm teaching my girlies that might find themselves in this situation and just don't know how to go about it. For my contour, I want to contour my nose, and I don't think I have the right color, so I'm just going to be taking a little of this same color I use for under my eyelid, and I'll use it to contour my nose with my hand. So you want to be very careful. I'm on nails, so I don't know if I will be able to do it properly because I'm supposed to use the tip of my nails. If you're not on nails, use the tip of your nails, or if you have a brush, just better to use the brush. Okay, you want to be careful right here. In my heart. Okay, now let's move to more highlighting. Do they call it highlighting, or I'm not a makeup artist. When I do it, you'll know what it's about. Want to look for a foundation that shines. Lastly, you need a bigger brush for this, so but I'm not going with that pink. I'm going with a bronzer. Something that looks like a bronzer. So here's where we need our powder. So I'm going to start with my under eyes. And then go in with a more darker powder. This is what I'm using. Right now. All right, now is where the lashes comes in.
I noticed my mic wasn't working, so I'm gonna do a voiceover for this. For my lip combo, it's my everyday combo, using my brown eye pencil to line my lips properly, and then going in with a dark eye pencil, rather a black eye pencil, to pop it up a little, not looking too dark or too brown. Glossing my lips and going in with a pink lip gloss or lipstick, anything you can find. Then you want to blend it all to your taste, whether you want it brighter or darker. And I finished up with highlighting my under eyes with my highlighting powder.
And there you have it. Let's take this out. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it like I did. Do well to subscribe, leave a comment below, air out your opinion. What do you think about this look and what kind of content would you like me to be making? Make sure you share and give us your big thumbs up. I love you. See you in my next video.